What is up, guys? It is Peyton with Motor Nubs, and so I got an update on the GSR right here. So on the, not the last video because Brennan, but the video before that when the GSR was at the dyno actually, I had a couple ECU problems I mentioned. And so originally what happened is the reason my ECU didn't work, we thought it was a distributor all along, but for some reason my ECU was just bad. So I ended up, I was like, cool, James let me borrow one. Shout out to James, thank you. Oh, go check him out. He is doing YouTube videos now. I believe his channel is Jmills Tuning. And so he let me borrow one for a little while. Bought one off eBay off of, I don't know, some guy. It says it was a P28, chipped. I was like, cool, no biggie. So I get it, and I plug it up, and car runs fine. I'm like, all right, maybe, I lucked out. Cool, got a really good deal on it, like kind of too good to be true. And so I put it on it. Well, next thing I know, I took my friend for a ride. VTEC doesn't pop. I'm like, well, that's weird. VTEC should definitely pop. And so upon further investigation, I went the rest of the night without VTEC. Next day, car doesn't start. I'm like, yo, what in the world? ECU's dead. Done. So I'm like, darn, let me take it up to my good old friend James of a Jmills Tuning. So I get up there, and we're looking at the ECU, and I'm like, man, dumb me, I don't really know much about an ECU except a chipped one to a non-chipped one. And so what I'm about to show y'all is this is a chipped ECU, but I believe it is a, hold on. It is a P06. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. It is a P06 chipped ECU. And I believe like somewhere over in this area, there's supposed to be like stuff soldered onto the board for VTEC and everything, but I have no idea. Not really a pro with these things, but yeah. So had to go spend, a couple more $100, buy another ECU, but car's running great. I got the bumper on it. I don't know if y'all ever seen that, but I finally put the bumper on it. I don't know if you can see from this angle, but we'll actually try to get the camera set up and go get a little drive of the car and do maybe, it's pretty dry, get like 1 or 2 good pulls in. So yeah, I'll give y'all an update in a bit. Alright, so got the car started. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. I'm trying out a new camera angle. Haven't tried it. I got like a fake passenger race seat in my car, so it's got like holes where the harness is supposed to run through and everything, but I don't have a harness, so I like stuck my camera legs through it, and I don't know how it's gonna work when I make a pull. I'm kind of worried. I think it's on there pretty good. A little bit worried it might fall off when I make a pull, so I'll make a few soft ones, and then if it stays on, I'll make a pretty decent one. But we'll let the car warm up and hopefully get a pull in for y'all. So yeah, let's see. Sound of a turbo. So yeah, I'll give y'all an update in a little bit when it's warmed up, and hopefully get a decent little pull for y'all. Alright, so I readjusted the mount real quick because the way I had it, it was not going to work. I was skeptical, and I was right. I tried to do a little test run, and yeah, it didn't work. But I think we're on there now, so yeah, let's get a good pull in. We're down here in Mexico too. I had to drive the Integra all the way down to Mexico to get a pull for y'all. But hopefully, I think Brandon's supposed to go back to the dyno soon, turn his car up. He fixed the boost creep problem, new wastegate and everything. Hopefully I can take mine back soon and get it turned back up also. was just a good old second to third, and baby shifted to fourth. But I need some better roads. So yeah, so car's running great on 6 psi. I can't complain. It made like 270. And for people who are new to the channel, you can check the previous videos out. And I forgot to mention, comment down below what you think I should do next. Whether I should turn it up or do something cosmetic, or I don't know. Comment down below what you think I should do, and get one last pull for y'all.
Alright guys, I recorded some stuff and I ended up messing up the files. I dragged them onto my computer and I unplugged my USB drive thinking they were there, and I go to plug them back in and my files are corrupt now. So lesson learned. Always gotta, I don't know. It keeps happening. I think I'm gonna blame it on my computer right here, because we use my brother's computer, never have an issue. But anyway, the video you're about to see, it's only a piece of what actually happened. If you saw in one of my last videos that I just put up, I messed up the ignition switch. So now I went down to Jmills Tuning, a friend of mine. He does all our tuning, obviously, mine and my brother's car, and he helped me put a whole new ignition switch and the whole assembly, because I broke the assembly out of mine. But I did want to say, he just got his YouTube channel back up and going, and he's going to try to do like weekly videos. So jump over there, subscribe, like his videos, and comment down below. Tell him you came from Motor Nubs and that you want to see some more content. Because I was telling him, man, there's a lot of people out there that want to see this kind of stuff. I want to see it. He gets some weird off the wall stuff coming asking for dyno tunes all the time. So go over there and check it out. It's going to be a good channel. He just got over 100 subscribers. But he's gonna have a whole lot more here soon. So yeah, go give him some love. And I'm gonna let the clip roll. This is where James was helping me up underneath the steering wheel, getting that ignition switch and everything in. And then after that, I got a clip of just a really awesome CRX owned by Greg. So some slow-mo panning shots of that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. So these clips aren't gonna say a whole lot. We're just kind of goofing around. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.
And I'm fairly confident that if he would have looked at it and actually fixed, or done one of his fixes on it, it probably would have lasted.
Probably would have.
Yeah, but I didn't even make it through the track day because I fixed it.
But
if he would have fixed it, I probably would have made it through the track day and been able to drive on the trailer. You see what he's doing down there?
This damn speaker wire is in my way, man.
You can't even follow his fingers because they move so fast.
Yeah. Oh, well, we lost him.
He's like one of those little Asian people on an assembly line, just like.
Who, me? I'm not little, man. I'm fat and big and white and bald.
That's going on YouTube. We were just recording.
Can't see, man.
Alright, you don't tell me you're recording. That's when you get the good stuff.
I like that.